not getting the front up. Well, down.
Down, yeah.
I'm gonna make this before I give up.
I think you got it right now, honestly, dude, if you just focus and want it.
You're so close, dude.
Yeah, you need to set your front wheels down, stomp your front wheels down, so you're not manualing the whole way down. Like the fact that you're holding a manual down it is like
crazy.
Stupid, dude.
Like I'd shoot out more than likely.
Like
I think.
you got naturally a really good bounce, so you just gotta want it, dude, and stomp those front wheels down. This could be the first time he actually lands a drop in.
Oops, wrong way. Yeah!
Holy shit, you did it.